nicely packed in here. Very nice quality. This is the VooDoo Lab Dingbat Mondo board, which comes with the Mondo power supply on it, the pedal power. So you got, I believe this is 12 outlets. Nice quality construction, nice and lightweight, but definitely not gonna fall apart or break when you push down on it. Comes with, of course, a bag, pedal, power supply, all the cables. It's got some pedal Velcro tape on there. This is going to be a real nice addition to my stage gear. So I definitely recommend the VooDoo Lab Dingbat pedal board large. This is the 25 by 15. This is the Mondo one. So this was a nice kit. And it fits right inside the bag with plenty of extra space in there, so there's room if you had a little bit of pedal sticking off on the side.